Welcome to another DIY video from Plain and Simple. Our next mod to the 76 series just turned up today. It's the door kit to change the door rubbers over. Try and get rid of a bit of the wind noise. So there's been a lot of claims on the internet that this cuts out all the wind noise, and then there's been a few where the guys have said it hardly does anything. So what we're going to do is go for a run. I downloaded an app onto my phone to read noise level, so we'll do a run before, then change the rubbers over and do another run, see if there are any changes. We'll let you know how it goes. So we're just heading north up the highway out of Cops, and if nobody's seen the bypass work, have a look at that. Apparently they've broken through the first of the tunnels over there through the hills.
Gately's.
Okay, so we're doing 60 kilometres an hour on the highway, windows up, hands on low speed, but that shouldn't make any difference. And what's it showing?
77.
77 decibels.
Yeah, varies, but it gets up to about 81.
Okay, so we're just coming up the 110 zone. That's 110 k's an hour into a bit of a headwind. What's it saying?
It's getting up to 83, 84.
Easy enough to get the old one off. The replacement rubbers come with a pinch seal and then that extended rubber on the outside. I guess the theory is that the extra rubber will make a better seal against the wind. Well, I guess we put it on and see how it goes. So I just got to make sure I put this on the right way so that the rubber's sticking out. put on a little bit, and then I'll get the rubber mallet and tap it on. And have to tap as I go. Probably should have cleaned the face of the mallet before I started. Okay, so we've got it on. Let's see if the door will shut. Yeah. Nice tight fit. Looks the same, so who knows. I'll get the other 4 doors done and then take it for a run. There we go, second one in. See if it shuts. Yep, shuts nicely. So I'm just cutting it off with there's an all-purpose multi-scissors. Got it for cutting carpet, but they're cutting this quite nicely. 2 more to go. The back ones we just find a soft spot too. No effort to get them out. Just one little thing I've been doing. You can see where the trim fits there and that goes down inside. I've just been slicing the rubber there. so I can get the end of this inside the trim, and then just leaving a bit of a overhang on the outside, just so it hides the end away. And the other thing is, where there's bits of interior trim here, just got to make sure you clamp that over the top of that as well, and not underneath it. There's the end tucked away in there neatly. So I just trimmed a bit of the rubber off the bottom so that it slides in. I did see on another YouTube video where the guy showed he had holes all around here, and I reckon it didn't look very good, but it's the same fit as the factory as far as I can tell.
Okay.
So, second run, conditions are just about the same. We're sitting on 60. What's it saying? Oh, assistant.
I think it just went up to 83, but that might be me talking.
Yeah, it would be. What is it without you talking?
What? Do you want me to do sign language? 75. Got up to 82. It's